The fifth council held between such and such year called for reforms. Reforms including. So see, including is not a verb here. Including is a present participle acting as a noun modifier. So including is modifying reforms here. An active verb is missing here. And then if you see, the broad construction is called for A and for B is the broad construction. Answer choice A does not have a for in it, so it breaks the broad parallelism. Answer choice A can be eliminated. Reforms that included, this makes sense. Answer choice C called for reforms with the education of priests included. So that's passive voice. And again, this is likely to break the parallelism here. Called for A and for B. A here is called for reforms with the education of something, and B here is expansion of something to include something. So you see the two phrases here are not parallel. Answer choice C is not going to be correct. And then answer choice D changes the meaning by having an infinitive verb here, to include. So called for reforms to include, it sounds as if the reforms were called in order to include something. Remember, the infinitive form of verb, the to plus verb form, is used for showing a purpose of intent. So this to include bit here changes the meaning, and similarly these infinitives also change the meaning. So D can go, and another reason why C is not correct, and B can also be eliminated now. Let's confirm answer choice E. Called for reforms that included conveys the intended meaning appropriately. This should be the correct beginning of the sentence. So the council called for reforms that included something and for expansion of something through the confirmation of something and abrogation of something. So the broad structure is perfectly fine. Once again, the council called for reforms that included something and for, so called for A and for B, and then B through the confirmation of something and abrogation of something else. It's all about the grammatical construction and the intended meaning here. A difficult question that you can learn a lot from. E is the correct answer choice.